What's the most satisfying moment you've seen a liar get destroyed by their own evidence in court? Paralegal for 11 years. This one still gives me chills. Single mom, kindergarten teacher, sweetest woman you'd ever meet. Her ex-husband wanted full custody of their twin boys. He showed up with a legal team. 3 lawyers, one of them used to be a prosecutor. His family had money, old money, the kind that build courthouse wings. His argument was brutal, said she was mentally unstable, had a psychiatrist testify she suffered from severe paranoid delusions and was unfit to parent. Produced medical records showing she'd been prescribed antipsychotic medication. His mother took the stand crying, said she'd witnessed the twins eating cereal for dinner 3 nights in a row because their mother couldn't get off the couch. A former co-worker testified she'd had an emotional breakdown at school, screaming at a 5-year-old over spilled paint, scared the whole classroom. There were text messages too, screenshots of her sending him 47 messages in one night, rambling, desperate, some of them barely coherent. His lawyer read them out loud slowly, letting every unhinged word hang in the air. The judge was visibly concerned. One of the twins' teachers submitted a letter saying the boys seemed withdrawn and anxious during her custody weeks. The case was airtight. I looked at our attorney and she was pale. This woman was about to lose her children to a man with unlimited resources and a narrative that painted her as dangerous. Then her lawyer asked for 1 hour. Judge granted it reluctantly. When we came back, her lawyer placed a single laptop on the evidence table. Your Honor, opposing counsel entered medical records showing my client was prescribed antipsychotic medication. That prescription was written by Dr. Nathan Ferris. The husband's face changed. Dr. Ferris lost his license 14 months ago for writing fraudulent prescriptions in exchange for payment. We have the financial records showing a $15,000 wire transfer from my client's ex-husband to Dr. Ferris 2 weeks before this custody filing. Dead silence. The psychiatric evaluation was performed by Dr. Ferris's colleague at the same clinic, a clinic currently under federal investigation. But she kept going. Those 47 text messages his lawyer read so dramatically. Here they are in full context. Every single one was a response to him threatening to take the boys to another state if she didn't sign over custody. He deleted his half of the conversation. She pulled up the phone carrier records showing his deleted messages. I will destroy you. You'll never see them again. Sign or I'll make sure everyone thinks you're crazy. 47 messages of a terrified mother begging a man not to kidnap her children. His lead attorney asked for a recess. Judge denied it. The co-worker who testified about the classroom breakdown. Here's her employment file from the school district. She was fired 3 months ago for falsifying student records. And here's her Venmo history. 4 payments from the husband's personal account totaling $8,000 over 6 weeks. The grandmother who cried about cereal dinners. We have the boys' pediatrician records. Both twins are in the 90th percentile for height and weight. Their dental records are perfect. Their school attendance is spotless. And here are photos from her Instagram, posted during the exact weeks she claimed they were neglected. Birthday parties, soccer games, science fair ribbons. The husband's lead attorney stood up and said, Your Honor, we'd like to withdraw. Judge said, sit down. Then came the knockout. The former prosecutor on his legal team had been disbarred in another state for evidence tampering. He wasn't even licensed to practice in our jurisdiction. The judge halted everything. Full custody to the mother. Emergency protective order issued on the spot. The husband was referred to the district attorney for fraud, witness tampering, and conspiracy. His mother was charged with perjury. Dr. Ferris's case got added to the federal investigation. The boys are 11 now, both on the honor roll. One wants to be a veterinarian, the other wants to be a lawyer like the woman who saved his family. Their mom still teaches kindergarten. Last month, her class made thank you cards for community helpers. She brought a stack to our office with a note that said, You gave my boys their mother back. I keep it in my desk drawer. Some cases you file away. This one I carry with me.